Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami heart with bow. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now repeat this step from the other side and press again. Press it. Open the fold. Now fold our triangle according to the middle crease and press well. Then from the other side repeat the step and press it. Open it up. Fold and press again. And from the other side repeat the step and press well. Open it. Now fold it inwards and press. Then from the other side repeat the step and press it well. Fold it and press. Then from the other side repeat the step. Fold it like this and press. Repeat the step from the other side. Now turn it. Fold from the top a triangle from one side and then the other. Open it and fold it inwards. Press well. Again a triangle. Now fold it inwards and press. Now fold a cube type shape by folding triangles on the top. Open it and fold it inwards. And then from the other side repeat the step. Now fold from the top and press well. Fold it inwards from both the sides. Like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glass of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated with the new notifications and videos. Press it well. Now fold it in. Open it. Now form a bow. Like this from one side, and repeat the step from the other side too. Now fold the corners to add some detail. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.